Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to another lesson of We Love Words. We are looking at the book The Ugly Five, so let's have a read through and have a look and see which new word we're looking at today. So I'm going to read the sentence. It's the same picture as yesterday, and I'm going to read the sentence. I'm the lappet-faced vulture. I'm ugly and bald. No wonder that everyone looks so appalled. I'll read it again. I'm the lappet-faced vulture. I'm ugly and bald. No wonder that everyone looks so appalled. So our new word today is appalled. You say the word appalled. Let's say it to the ceiling. Appalled. Let's say it to the floor. Appalled. Let's say it 5 times. Appalled. 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 What do you think the word appalled means then? If you look appalled, what do you think that means? Right, let's have a look and see what it is. So appalled means you are shocked or disgusted by something. It is very bad, okay? So if you're appalled, it means you are shocked or disgusted by something and it is very bad. And that's maybe the face you would pull if you were appalled by something. Right, this is our anchor sentence then. It's a bit of a long one, so I'll read it a couple of times and follow along with me. So, Grandma was appalled by the boy running across the road. Grandma was appalled by the boy running across the road. So, why do we think Grandma was appalled by the boy running across the road? What does appalled mean again? Well done, it means shocked. And she's shocked by the boys running across the road because it's dangerous. They've nearly run into a car, haven't they? So Grandma is appalled. So, I've not changed it to bold on this one, so that's my mistake. But across the road is the part that we are going to innovate, okay? So Grandma was appalled by the boy stealing from the shop. Grandma was appalled by the boy stealing from the shop. And we can see that he's putting that packet of, might be sweets, it might be crisps, into his bag. He's stealing it from the shop, and that's not a very good choice, is it? So Grandma is appalled. Grandma was appalled by the boy stealing from the shop. Your turn. Super, my turn. Grandma was appalled by the boy stealing from the shop. Your turn. Fantastic. Let's see what else Grandma is appalled by. The boy, what's the boy done, do you think? Have a look round his mouth, that's a big clue. The boy has eaten all the chocolate. So Grandma was appalled by the boy eating all the chocolate. Grandma was appalled by the boy eating all the chocolate. And look, Grandma's got her hands next to her face against her cheeks, and she can't believe it. She's shocked. She can't believe the boy has eaten all the chocolate, okay? So we've got Grandma was appalled by the boy running across the road. Grandma was appalled by the boy stealing from the shop. Grandma was appalled by the boy eating all the chocolate. What else is Grandma going to be appalled by? Grandma was appalled by the boy hurting his sister. That's not a good choice. We don't hurt, do we? We don't use our hands for hurting. We've learnt about that in our jigsaw lessons, haven't we? So Grandma was appalled by the boy hurting his sister. Your turn. Super, my turn. Grandma was appalled by the boy hurting his sister. Your turn. Super, so our word is appalled. So have a think. Can you think of any other sentences that has the word appalled in? What else could Grandma be appalled by? Running across the road, eating all the chocolate, stealing from the shop, hurting other children. What else could Grandma be appalled by? Pause the video and have a little think. Right, so here's some other examples then. And it says, can you see the appalling look on his face? Can you see the appalling look on his face? And it's got a question mark, it means it's a question. So yes or no, can you see the appalling look on his face? Yes, you can, super. And it says, what an appalling dustbin. What an appalling dustbin. Right, back to our story then. It says, I'm the lappet-faced vulture. I'm ugly and bald. No wonder that everyone looks so appalled. So, I'm the lappet-faced vulture. I'm ugly and bald. No wonder that everyone looks so appalled. So why do you think they look appalled at that vulture? Says it in the sentence. Yes, because he's ugly and bald, so people are looking at him and they're shocked. They can't believe he looks like that. Okay, so appalled. And another example related to your experience then. This is a teacher. The teacher was appalled when the children made bad choices. And there isn't anybody in my class that makes bad choices, I don't think. Or in year one, I think we're all well behaved. But if a teacher did see someone make bad choices, they would be appalled and they might pull a face like this, okay? So the teacher was appalled when the children made bad choices. Right, now what I want you to do is I want you to clap if you see something that looks appalling. So don't forget appalling. Think about what appalling looks like, and I want you to clap if you see something that looks appalling, okay? And then I'll go through them at the end. Right, and it was a big clue by looking at their faces. So Grandma, what did you think to Grandma? Does she look appalling? Well done. Grandma's got a very shocked look on her face. What about the girl next to her with the glasses on and the different coloured hair? Well done. No, you shouldn't have clapped there because she looks happy. She doesn't look appalled. What about the dustbins then? Well done. They look appalling. What about the boy underneath the dustbins, the man with his thumbs up? Well done. We don't need to clap. He's happy. He's got his thumbs up. He doesn't look appalling. What about the baby then? Baby under the girl? Well done. He's got an appalling look on his face. And what about the teacher on the left with the glasses on? Super. She looks appalling too. So how many pictures show appalling? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures show appalling and 2 pictures show happy faces and delighted faces. They don't show appalling faces. Super, so I hope you've enjoyed our word today, appalling. Make sure you use it in a sentence if you can, and I will see you again tomorrow for another lesson of We Love Words. Bye.